Hello, good evening everyone. This is Bala Ankaya, engineer. Today I want to discuss about the new advertisement NTPC. So they have been advertised for engineering executive trainees. So it is totally 280 posts are available in that. So they have advertised for 280 posts. So in that especially the branches are electrical, mechanical, electronics and instrumentation. So for that post, if you want to apply, you should have qualified in the GATE 2021 exam. Especially you should have written GATE 2021 exam in the respective trades, and you should have got good rank in the GATE examination, so that you can apply for this recruitment. So NTPC is a government organization, so it has branches all over India. So in that upper age limit cutoff for the general and EWS category is 27 years. So be careful with the age limit. They have given only 27 years. So SC, ST, OBC, you will have the respective age relaxation. For OBC, you will be having 3 years of age relaxation, and SC, ST, you will be having 5 years of age relaxation. So for general, it is only 27 years only. So be careful while applying for the general and EWS category. So coming to the post, so there are 98 vacancies in the electrical branch, and there are 126 vacancies in the mechanical branch, and next 56 vacancies in the electronics and instrumentation branch. So in electrical also they have given the list what are the branches comes under the electrical and electronics engineering background, and next they have given the respective branches which comes under the mechanical also in same way in electronics and instrumentation category also. So for those posts you should have written the respective GATE 2021 exam codes. So for electrical you should have written in EE code for the GATE 2021, for mechanical ME, so for electronics EC, and for instrumentation you should have written in the IN category only. For those who have written in the EE, ME, EC and IN only, you have to apply for that. So the age limit I already mentioned. So the examination is mainly based on the GATE 2021 examination score only. Who have got good score, and they will be seeing for the reservation also. So for the respective reservation they will shortlist based on GATE 2021 score of yours. So they will be calling for the respective document verification. So there is no examination separately for that. So it is mainly based on the GATE 2021 examination only. Who have got good marks in that, good rank all India level, so they will be calling for the document verification. So who got good rank in the GATE 2021 exam, so please apply for those respective post in the electrical, mechanical, electronics and instrumentation category. So the last date for this advertisement is June 10th, that means 10/6/2021. So the online application is going to start from the 21 May 2021. So I request everyone to utilize this opportunity. NTPC is a very good organization. It comes under government of India only. So public sector organization it is. So all over India you will be having branches. So all India transfer also will be available. Reservations also is there. So they are going to start the online application from 21st May only. So last date is 10th June 2021. So please utilize this opportunity and try to apply on or before the last date. So who have got good rank in the GATE examination, all the best for those candidates. So please like my video, share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. I will give the description about this advertisement and website link in the description of my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.